many kaka nyalo konygi. Alia Beach, Ramogi TV, Homa Bay.
Wasuru nyako Ramogi jopuonjre mag school ma Pueblo Academy mantiere Kikino e kaunti ma Kiambu ne oyudo sir mar koth yien ma kwan-gi ohewo 6,000 ma owinjore gipidhi kaka yor rito alwora.
Chenro motisi ni Revitalize Kenya kaumakre gi Saidika mantiere buo kambi Royal Media Services mano chwalo yien go kaka yor jiwo chenro mag rito alwora. Bengi mar KCB ema ochwalo kony mar omenda mag siro chenrono kokalo e Saidika. Kara saidika.co.ke ma en kar solro e yor mbui ma geto oganda kod riwruoge mopogore opogore pacho ka. E bwo nying mar Jaza Miti Initiative igeto pidh yien ma ok tin ne milion 5 e thuolo mar higni 4 nyaka higni 5.
Revitalize Homes and Gardens wants to have 5 million trees over the next 4 or 5 years. And we are working with Saidika, who help us to get funding from well-wishers out there. Then we go and we buy trees. We don't have our own nursery. We buy trees from small-scale farmers. We then keep the trees in our nursery for 2 months. We water them, we nurture them until they're much bigger, and then we come and look for a school to plant the trees in.
We understand that most of the people right now in a local context usually raise funds for funerals, medical aid, and also other initiatives such as church planting or whatever it might be, even for educational purposes. So we've made it as easy as possible by at least enabling people to visit our site, which is saidika.co.ke, and once they log in, they actually create their accounts and start their fundraising.
It is very profound to support children so that they can know that there's not so much difference between planting trees and also being a kid, because the way you plant trees is so that you can have a strong foundation for the future, is the same way that they have to also plant good discipline, plant good education.